So when we talk of lean, basically we mean these 5 aspects, these 5 philosophies, and let's understand each of these. The first one is identify value. In lean, what you need to look at is what customer needs, what customer values. So the first thing in lean is identify value, what is important to the customer. Once you have done that, then you need to map the value streams. So whatever process you are doing, if you want to apply lean principle on that process, what you need to do is you map the value stream or you map the whole process. In that whole process, you see that what all steps are adding value. Once you have done that, that will help you in identifying those elements or those work processes which are not adding value. So once you have identified those steps which are not adding value, then those are basically waste. Once you remove that, basically what you will be doing is you will be saving money out of that. You will be reducing time. You will be having more customer satisfaction. You will be able to make your product cheaper because you now don't need to do all those steps. So that you do by mapping the value stream. Another aspect of lean is create flow. What you want to do is you want to make flow. Things should flow. Things should not be waiting between different steps. That's another aspect of lean. The fourth aspect of lean is the pull. What you want to do here is you produce only whatever is required. So that's the difference between pull and push. In push, let's say you make 100 pieces every day and then you try to sell those things. Whereas in pull, based on customer demand only you are producing. So you apply pull principle and that will help you in reducing your inventory because you don't need to produce unnecessary things which you are not able to sell. That's the fourth aspect of lean. And the fifth aspect of lean is seek perfection. So you keep on improving your processes, you keep on reducing your defect and you strive for perfection by continuous improvement, by engaging all the people in the improvement process. So these are the 5 basic principles of lean. There are a number of tools, there are a number of steps. We will be briefly touching upon some of these as we move further into this course.